I'd like to introduce you to a really helpful site when you're writing your resume. One of the most important aspects and sections of your resume is your job area where you have your job title and the descriptions below, the statements below. We'll go into a slide later on about how to write those statements. But one of the helpful sites in writing some of those statements is ONET. And all you would do to get to ONET is type ONET online in Google, and you'll come to this page. And all you would do is click on Browse Find Occupations, and the first section where it has keyword or ONET SOC code, right in here, is you would type in the occupation that you had, the job title that you had. And what's really helpful, it gives you a list of responsibilities, assignments, qualifications, some of the things that you can put on your resume under the statements. So let's try it. So we have a number of different titles that I've used previously. Let's do customer service. So we click on customer service, we type in customer service, and we hit go. And we hit go, you'll see customer service comes up. And it's obviously a occupation, has a bright outlook, it's a green occupation. But what we want to do is we want to click on the customer service. And what we see is information on the tasks, the technology skills, the knowledge that customer service people have. So let's click on the plus sign for tasks, show all 15 tasks. And here are the tasks for customer service. The first one, confer with customers by telephone or in person, provide information about products or services, take or enter orders, cancel accounts, or obtain details of complaints. And what this does is it gives us a list of all of the responsibilities, the tasks, if you will, of customer service. And you can take these as a lead to put in your resume. There's also technology skills. Customer service may not have a lot of need for technology skills, but if you click the plus sign, you'll see all of the technology skills customer service people will use in their service to the customer. And so don't forget to use technology skills in your statements, some of the experiences you've had. So here is one Access Software, Citrix. Somebody else has used multi-channel contact center, Tipani contact center, Tipani email. There's other ones that talks about desktop technology skills, Microsoft Publisher. So be sure to include those in your statements. So you can see this is a really useful tool to use. Let's go back and let's do social worker. So we type in our occupation or our experience or job title. In this case, we're using social worker. So we see social workers, all other social and human service assistants. These are job titles that ONET has that read very similar to social worker. So we have child, family, and social workers. So we'll click on that. And there's 23 tasks. And these are examples of the tasks of social worker that you may want to be using, at least some of them, or borrow some of their statements to put in your statements under your job title. So here's one here, address legal issues such as child abuse, discipline, assisting with hearing and providing testimony to the arrangements. Counsel parents with child rearing problems, interview the child and family to determine whether there's further action required. So these are, again, tasks for the social worker. Let's look for another one. Let's go into marketing. So we took marketing, which is a very, very general field, but they have marketing managers. They have marketing research analysts and marketing specialists. Let's do marketing research analysts and marketing specialists. Again, the tasks, and they have a number of different tasks that marketing specialists work at. seek and provide information to help companies determine their position in the marketplace. Forecast and track marketing sales trends, analyzing collected data. What kind of technology skills? There's 33. There's a lot of technology skills. The one that comes up a lot for marketing is Google Analytics. So make sure you have that in your statement, that you've used Google Analytics or aware of Google Analytics. And there's hundreds of others. Map creation software, ESRI or ArcGIS software. So be able to include those as well. Okay, so this is a view of O-Net and how you use O-Net to help you fill out your statements under your job title.